Here's exactly how you can play Minecraft for free. First, open your browser and search for Minecraft free trial. Go ahead and click on the very first link that shows up. After that, scroll all the way down to the bottom until you see all the different download options. Just choose the one that matches your operating system and click it to begin downloading. Once the download finishes, you'll be able to find the installer inside your downloads folder. If you want, you can even drag it onto your desktop now. Simply double-click the installer to run it, accept the terms and conditions, and then click on Install. Depending on your internet and your computer's speed, the installation may take a little bit of time. When the installer completes, you'll see this login page. Here is where you have to sign in using your Microsoft account. To use the free trial, you must sign in with an account that hasn't used the Minecraft trial before, which is why you'll need to create a new Microsoft account. After you successfully log in, you can press the Play Demo button to launch the game and start playing the free trial. Another way you can get Minecraft for free is if you already have Game Pass. You may already have a free trial for it, or you might already be subscribed. Game Pass includes both the Java and Bedrock editions.